So I made grilled cheese for Lance the Icelandic way. Or my way. My way. I don't know if it's Icelandic or not. And you're not gonna take a bite unless you
kinda hungry.
Try this with it.
Okay, so
this is a burger sauce. It's really similar to cocktail sauce, which is Icelandic. Yeah.
Okay, I'm Icelandic.
Yeah. So I always eat it with this, and it's really good. I think you're gonna like it, but
well, I'm putting a lot in there, like I'm gonna like it. All right, so I'll dip it and eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
Here we go.
This is the one that only has cheese.
Okay.
And the other one has ham too.
Bon appetit.
Can you taste the sauce?
Yeah. And I can taste the cheese. Tell them about the cheese.
There's nothing to say about the cheese.
Whatever, it's Icelandic cheese.
Yeah.
Tell them how good Icelandic cheese is.
Tell them, do you like it?
Yeah, that's what I want you to tell them so I can keep eating.
Do you like the sauce? Mm-hmm. Do you prefer it with or without sauce?
Well, let me take a bite without sauce.
Mm-hmm. Mm. This is what I always eat at home.
Without sauce is good too. They're both good. Eating it without sauce, I can taste the cheese more. Mm-hmm. Eating it with sauce, it's just... Waterfall.
It's good though. So rate my grilled cheese.
10.
10? No.
I love
Remember when
cheese.
you told me last time give out 10?
But I like your grilled cheese, that's why I asked for it. Gotta go eat.
It's cold, it's rainy, but we're going to. Right? Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them. So what do you think? It looks the same?
No, last time I saw it was
Oh,
ice.
it was frozen.
Yeah, it was frozen.
Yeah, no, it's not frozen.
Oh, thanks for stating the obvious. Yeah, crater of love. The rain got us.
It's just a sprinkle.
It feels like more than a sprinkle.
Oh. It's probably pretty to take pictures here.
You sure this is the way?
Yes. We go down here to go all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, I think this is nice.
Oh yeah, you can see the whole crater.
Yeah.
Nice. You think you could drink that water?
I don't know. Probably. Let's try it.
What is it, just rainwater?
Probably not.
Okay.
There's a sign.
I'm not gonna try
There's
it.
a sign on this parking spot that you're supposed to read what it is.
Oh.
The parking spot.
What did it say?
I don't know. Oh yeah, we can. Should we go sit on the bench?
No, that bench is wet.
It's half in the
Are you
water.
filming it?
See? I knew you would say no. But when it's on camera, you would say yes.
Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, let's sit on the wet bench. Let's get the butt wet.
It's in the water.
said, I'm not scared to say it. If we do hike it, we should take the floaty device just in case somebody falls in. Because we know I can't rescue.
Okay, should we go?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, let's go. You ready? You're about to get wet. Ah! Oh my god, come, we need to run through this. Ah! What? Oh my gosh. Ah, we made it through.
Yeah, it got real wet.
Oh, it's so pretty, look.
I feel like it was a theme park.